Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin Trade. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys another weekly stock watch list to see what I'm looking at over the weekend to try to play into the next trading week. To get started, let's take a look at what we got for earnings this week. Monday, I'm not really seeing much. Tuesday, CrowdStrike, nothing else really. Wednesday, we got Lulu, Victoria's Secret for my ladies. Um, I think that's really it. Honestly, there's nothing crazy going on this week. Thursday we have maybe DocuSign, and yeah, I think that's it really. There's nothing crazy going on in terms of earnings this week, so let's just dive into the economic calendar. All right, so Sunday we got OPEC, so that's gonna be going on. Monday we got PMI 15 minutes right into the open. Then we also have ISM at 10 a.m. So those are two things to be looking out for on Monday. Tuesday we have Jolt at 10 a.m. Something to be careful 1 hour into the market. Wednesday, got got some news pre-market. Also got final services PMI at 9:45. Then 10 a.m. we got ISM services again. Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 8:30. That's gonna be something to look out for. How we react to pre-market. On that, nothing else to really pay attention to at open. Friday here, we just have some non-farm. We have some non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate. That's going to be something important to look out for on Friday. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the economic calendar. Let's dive into the futures real quick. On NQ here, I'm looking to see we had a major bounce off of 18,250. Now I'm going to be looking for NQ to hold that 18,500 level since we broke it. And I'm going to look to see if we can crack 18,600 again. If we crack 18,600 again, and I have room up to 18,750 right here, this high, around this area right here. And then if we can crack this level, we can hit 18,800. ES, pretty much the same story here. I'm looking for us to hold 5250, that area. And if we can break above 5,300 again and hold, I have room up to this high right here at 5340, 5350, around that area. So that's just something to be looking out for in terms of futures in the overall market. So yeah, let's just dive into what I have on my watch list. So Apple here, caught a sick trade Friday from that flat top at 192.30. If we put this on the 4 hour, might get a cleaner picture here. We have this nice flat top here at 195. I'm gonna look to see if I can play that into 195.30 and then see if I can play that further out. And then to the downside on the hourly, see we got like this little flat bottom going on here, 186.50. We'll be looking to play that into 186.10. And yeah, probably just gonna scalp these. I'm not too big of a fan of trading Apple, but I will trade it as long as the setup's nice. Just to take something to note here, if I do play Apple, I do want to see divergence ahead of the market, whether it be strength or weakness, the upside or the downside here. Next, we got AMD. I'm going to put this on the 4 hour for you guys. You can see we have this 4 hour trend right here that we're breaking, and we tested that 160 level again, and we bounced right off it perfectly. So if we come back down again and we hold below that 4 hour trend and we break past 160, I'm going to take that. I'm probably going to look to enter like 160.10, 160.20, depending on the momentum. AMD is also one of those stocks I like to see being ahead of the market in terms of weakness or strength. So I'm going to be looking out for that divergence as well. Amazon got nothing. BA is trash. Bubble trash. Coin. Yeah, so we got this 4 hour trend right here. It's looking pretty nice, but I see this nice little level forming at 249. I'm going to look to play that into this 4 hour trend, I think. Or just playing up until that 250 break. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have my eyes on coin to the upside. But for the downside, I do have this 192 level marked if we can get down there. Just looking to scalp that probably into 191. Next on the list, we got Google. We still have this. Let me put this on the daily for you guys. We still have this gap that we need to fill. This gap up right here. You guys can see. We still haven't filled that yet. So I am gonna be looking at that towards the downside. Um, you can see right here we kind of had this level right here. I'm probably gonna take it at 170. That safer entry might be at the low here, 169.44, but me personally, I like to play around those key psychological levels, so I'm going to be playing it at that 170 level. Upside on Google, I have this 1 hour trend right here. I can break that. I'm going to test 177. I'm going to play that into the high right here at 177.30. I'm going to target 178. Next on the list, we got Meta. Man, Meta just won't give us this level, man, I swear. But I have this 481 level marked out. And yeah, I want to see us break this 1 hour trend down here, and then if we can break that, play 481. Ideally, I'd like to play that gap fill, but probably not going to hold for that long, so I'll probably just target 482 to 483 around the area, this high on the hourly. And yeah, Microsoft's just been a weak stock. Don't got much on that. Netflix, I really like this, actually. We have this 1 hour trend, we broke it. We tested 630. I want to see us consolidate a little bit more around here, and if we could test at 630 again, I'd love to take that into 629 and see if I can ride it into 628. Nvidia, we did fill that pre-market gap, but if we put this on the daily, we didn't fill the daily gap. So these aren't my types of plays, but if any of you would like to, I guess you could take this low at 168 right here and then play it into that 1065, 1064.75. I don't really have many levels on Nvidia, but I kind of need to see the stock move around a little bit more so I can get some levels that I'm actually confident in taking. So probably going to be staying away from Nvidia for the rest of the trading week. Up until that split, honestly, because I don't know how that's going to play out, but we'll see when it gets there. So yeah, no levels on Nvidia, unfortunately. I know a lot of you like playing Nvidia, but yeah, so Tesla. Man, Tesla's just been consolidating here forever, but we tested this 1 hour trend 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly 5, 6 times. When we break this trend line and we can get into that 173 level, I'm gonna be looking to play that into 172.70 and then 171.50. I'm gonna look to hold this for as long as I possibly can, as momentum can like show me that it can hold, because this has been testing for way too long. And this consolidation, when it breaks, it's really going to go. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be watching for sure. Upside as well, breaking this 4 hour trend right here. And yeah, I'm just waiting to play this high, this little flat top here at 183. Take that into 183.50, and then I'll take it into 184. Other than that, these are my top stocks for the next trading week, and hope you guys enjoyed, and that you take some of these and you trade them and that you bank off of them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video that I make, and peace out.